Question number 8 may or may not be on your first exam. It will definitely be covered within the first 2 exams, depending on how far your professor gets into the semester. Question number 8 has to deal with work, power, and energy. This one in particular has to deal with energy. So remember, we have 2 kinds of energy. We have potential, which is equal to mgh, and we have kinetic, which is equal to 1/2 mv squared. And remember, anytime you're doing this, conservation of energy does apply. So potential energy initial plus kinetic energy initial is equal to potential energy final plus kinetic energy final. So this question says a 0.02 kilogram bullet. So we have a bullet with a mass of 0.02 kilograms. So this is my bullet. Is traveling initially at 500 meters per second. And embeds itself into a 2 kilogram block. So we have a 2 kilogram block, and the bullet ends up going into it. What is the kinetic energy of the block immediately after the collision? So we said kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv squared. Just a word of caution. I'm going through this choice, but there is a mistake on this exam, and there is actually no correct answer choice. He's 10 to the 3rd off. When he was doing this, he gave everybody credit for this during the test, but I'm going to show you what the real answer is in just a second. So for kinetic energy, it's equal to 1/2 mv squared. So we have 1/2 times the mass of the bullet, which is 0.02 kilograms, times the velocity, which is 500 meters per second, and we have to square that term. So 500 squared times 0.02 divided by 2 ends up giving us a total of 2,500 joules. Remember that all energy and work are in terms of joules. So answer choice A says 24.5 joules as the answer. It's actually 2,500 joules. He made a mistake when he made the exam. So question number 8, 2,500 joules. There's no correct answer on the exam.